Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO. You didn't think I was going to go live today, probably. Well, it wasn't this morning because I wanted complete focus and concentration in the MOJO room to nail a couple of winners that we really nailed the Pantories off of, if that's even a word. I saw some cool videos I'll share with you. Some other great things that I got topics for today's show. You really dig it. Watch it for tonight if you can't dig it and watching it for right now. And let's head over to the Mojo room and say hello to the team and see what they got going on. Ooh, JDST, a new high of the day. Does that mean we're in it as well? Yes, since $13 a share, folks. And just a minute ago, I updated it to the room that we just hit a new high a day. And guess what? We just hit another new high a day. So first thing you're going to learn is HOD means high of day. And some people don't even know that even means that. So that's one thing you may have learned right there.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Damn, that TVIX comes down a little bit. Well, it's tempting me into the trade. This is one of the things of self-control that you need. Oh, darn it. I just wanted to get that call too. And I call you back in 30 minutes. Figures the call I want. It's, of course, starts exactly when I do the show at 2:30, waiting all. That's when they do. They're like, oh, he went, let's call right now. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Crypto Main just left. Thanks, Crypto. Nice. This is not a crypto action. I'm not big on the crypto, but we do the crypto. Great, Tim. You got it, bud. Nice. Got some people messaging me in the room. So we got some new higher days going on right here. We got, I'll focus the chart right here. Show you how I made $691.40 today. Now, these are the trades that we got going on right here. We'll start by time and we'll sort it. So at 9:30, I took TVIX at 49.40. Well, you saw, it's coming down right now in this chart right here, guys, to the 49.86 previous close. I may take some shares right here. What's the SPY doing? 321.05. Yeah, I'm going to take some TVIX right here, guys, on this dip. I'm going to start to scale into a little position right here. See if we get a little dip. There we go. 90. Come on down. 94, 91. 97. Come on. Gotta want a good price. You know what I'm saying? Don't want to rush. See if we get another bar down. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars down. So now it's pretty much time. All right. So I also want to hold 100 shares of that overnight. There we go. 89. Come on down, baby. It won't come down, man. It won't come down. All right, so we head back over to the day trade room. Why don't you people say hello on YouTube? Happy holidays to you too out there in the land. And Scott says, Mike, thanks for all the coaching you do and just reaching out when I'm struggling. I can say your injection of encouragement has helped me become more confident in my trades. I still need to let go of my losers quicker, but getting to the point where I feel I'm understanding my trades and why I lost. Absolutely, bud. Absolutely. I think I got a good price. I got 100 at 93 just now on the TVIX. So I got the TVIX at 49.40, and then I sold some at 65. Hold on a sec. 65, 80, 99, even sold it through 50 to 50.03 right there. So did real good on that. Then I bought it back at 87 and 65 and sold it back at 80, bought it back at 65, sold it back there. So did really good on TVIX today. We did RAD. I should have held RAD. Did it through 13. I bought it right here at 12.95, 12.99. Sold 13.02, 13.14 right through that run. Stock went actually to 15 today. And then JDST through the Heinz 2 at 12.95. You could see JDST's 13.61. So I could have made a lot more, but this is kind of like a new situation that I'm showing some people that just started with me how to trade. I want to make sure that they trade small and that they make the profits when they do, and then they leave. A lot of people left already because it already is Friday, and that's what we do. So a couple other good things I want to share with you. See crypto right here. Let's head back over to the room for a second. Get a quote on the Bitcoin. I called Bitcoin at 6,500, folks. It's 71.94. Called it right back here to buy right there. Right here, time to buy last Wednesday. And did that right there. 71.94 now. I think it's going to go higher. Ethereum as well, and that did really good. Everybody want to say hi that's watching on YouTube? How you doing? Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. If you're not hearing me, subscribe to that channel, man, so you know when I go live you get notified. Shoot, damn, that was nice. So what else we got? We've got you guys right here, which we're in. It's at 880. We own it at 825 in the Swing Trade newsletter. Show you right here in my Swing Trade newsletter and my you guys pick. So if you're in the Swing Trade newsletter, you know, I've been trading for 25 years. There was a great video today by Patrick Weiland. He's been trading for 3 years on a lot of the things he shared. And it's funny because I went through a lot of those same things. We all do. I could really appreciate his video. And it's funny because it took me 3 years to learn the level 2 and not make the same mistakes that he made, but he gave up on it. And I kind of like said, this is the key and I'm going to master it. And I knew for a fact, because I watched the level 2 guys, watch right here, that JDST was going to make huge bars on the move. Watch. So right here, there's a gonzo. I teach this in my course. So one of the things that you'll learn from my experiences by watching the level 2 is JDST at a new high of 1345. But that's not where the signal came. Let me show you the signal. It's right there. It's a gonzo. It means the size of the shares on the ass. There's a seller that's so large, his nose is like that gonzo puppet. The bigger they are, the harder they go, higher they go. If that goes through, it'll make a huge volume bar on the graph. And you'll see a corresponding big green candlestick that you knew before, because that's a bullish sign. It took me 3 years to realize that. It used to be the other way around. That 1409 used to be on the bid where there was a big buyer. And then all of a sudden, you'd buy at 46 saying, I can only lose a penny. But then all of a sudden, it starts to sell at 45 and you hesitate. And then it goes to 35 and you're down 10 cents because you didn't recognize that a large bid is bearish and a large ask is bullish. And the bigger they are, the bigger they go. And you can see they're starting to buy the 46s. Okay? And then it goes 46. It went from 1400 to 189. It's about to go right there. And then it goes 48, 49. And you could see these volume bars right there. I knew were going to come in before it even happened. And now it's going to go higher through 50. And there it goes, 53, 54, 59, 60, 63, 64. And right there, we got TVIX through 50. You see, got some of that actually. Yeah, up $18 on TVIX, so $19. We'll take a profit on that. Thank you. Sold that right there at 50.10. Thank you for letting me know in the room. Appreciate that, guys. That was another good trade. Appreciate that, Ed. Thanks, man. Enabling me to sell because I'm doing my Mojo show. It always takes me off my game a little bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, you got it, bud. Thanks. Appreciate it. So that puts me to a 708 on the day. Another nice trade. They all add up. Just keep on doing that, you know, from 93 to 10 right there. I'll do it again at 93. Let me know if it gets there again, guys, in the room, if you don't mind. I'm on YouTube, bro. I'm on YouTube, JC. So yeah, I was showing them volume bars right there and on the room what went on, and I knew that was going up. You know what I'm saying? So right here, you got a big move, and that's how we do it. So, you know, trading in the room. Let me share the vid with you if you don't mind. I get an email from Patrick when he goes live, just like you get an email from me when I'm live. This is the email you get right there when Mojo goes live. Here's Patrick's. Patrick's what he's learned in 3 years. You could share. You can learn some good things for new traders, guys. That's why I'm sharing this, dudes, because it's a good vid. You know what I'm saying? What's a really nice? It's an awesome. I'd say it's an awesome vid. Really cool vid, maybe. A little cool. So this is Patrick Weiland, guys, and he's been day trading for 3 years. He's really coming into his own, learning what I teach my guys, scaling buying power and patience, which are the 3 pillars. Now there are 5 pillars. The first one is discipline. The second is math. The third is scaling. The fourth is buying power and patience. Listen.
Emotionally, mentally, it can make you a better person. Now, that's probably done. How's it changed my life? First off, it has given me a new perspective on money, on life, on
day trading,
business. It's made me, I feel like it's made me a better businessman, or just more aware of overall trends and business, the market, the world, the economy. I'm seeing things I've never seen before.
Hold on a second. We're coming down in the TV. 95. Thank you for letting me know. I'm going to try to get it at 83. We'll do 100. I'll put a buy in at 83. Let me know if I get filled. Let me know if I get filled, okay?
Now I'm like, I'm a day trader. You know, I'm not going to buy the top of the housing market. I'm not going to go out and pay the premium price for a car. No, I know about the dip. I'm going to buy the dip. Can help you become better either at business or whatever job you're working at. Even if you're like a landscaper, you know, being a day trader could still help you personally, emotionally, mentally. It can make you a better person. Now, that's probably gonna get some comments below, but in general, to be a day trader, you have to have a lot of patience. You got to have a very realistic outlook on life. You need to have just overall self-control. And now self-control, it can make you good at a lot of different things. Self-control can make you really good at relationships. Self-control can make you good at business. Self-control will make you good at having friends. You know, maybe you'll be a better friend because you actually have patience and self-control and you don't blow up.
Let's listen to what he learned about trading.
And make people, if you just stick
with
the
level
it, you know,
2,
just stay alive, isn't just from, you know, oh, I know for life in general, is day trading has given me this like idea, or it's given me this foundation that nothing's going to happen easy in life. You know, nothing's going to be simple. It's just like trading. You know, when you're buying a stock, you're buying the dip, and all of a sudden, it's kind of consolidating, and you're like, I just want that profit. I want to get the profit. And you're so focused on that profit, a lot of times you end up selling early, or end up just getting out of the trade, or you end up getting out for a loss, and all of a sudden the stock does exactly what you want it to do, but on a longer time frame. And that's going to be the same thing with.
And that's like the rail grind, what he's talking about, how we're developing that strategy to stay in the trade longer, like we did on JDST.
Life, with relationships, with business, with working, and anything like that. If you're working a 9-to-5 job and you make $100 every day, in your mind, or in your bank account, you're making $100 every day. Okay, I'm making $100 every day. But if you look at it on a bigger picture, you look at it on, it's going to happen. He's also going to have that $20,000 to $30,000 drawdown day where he's going to wipe out his account because all he's been trying to do is hit those YOLO plays. I'm patient, and I take the opportunity to run in the future, and that's the game.
Let me get to the good part.
Going to make you just do is go and try to be emotional about it and try to understand that's just going to be part of it. That's part of that journey as a day trader, is knowing that you're just going to have to walk away sometimes. Also, over the last 3 years, I've kind of went through different phases and different styles and different indicators and this, and I'm going to have this, and maybe I'll trade with this. And it's funny because the more and more that I trade,
this is what I teach in the beginning of Mojo University. Exactly what he went through. So if he's not done good watching the level 2 and trading with his style, if you did the opposite of him, you would do well. Make sense? Took me 3 years to realize that. Watch.
The longer that I traded, over the last 3 years, I've kind of just started to remove a lot of that kind of noise. Recently, I started to really not use level 2. Time and sales. Those are things that I really just don't worry about anymore. I'm more focused on the overall price structure, the overall just kind of candle focus, what's going on with the chart. I'm more focused on that now. And it seems to work in my favor, because a lot of times in the past with level 2, what I would do with level 2 is I would be oh, well, there's a big buyer, there's a
big bid, big huge bid, like I just told you.
Big buyer right there at $3. So there's plenty of support. I can hold this, and then all of a sudden that big buyer just disappears.
Gone.
Even though the chart told me that the stock had no support at that area, that it was probably going to go lower, I saw level 2 and I thought to myself, well, there's a big buyer there. And I think level 2 can be very
I did that for 3 years. You'd buy the ass thinking there's a big bid, and all of a sudden it would disappear and go away, and you'd be stuck. I'm like, damn.
Deceiving in that sense. Level 2 can paint a picture of something that's not really there, because just because there's an order to buy 10,000 shares at $3 doesn't mean at the price it's there the buyer's going to stay there. A lot of times they're spoofing, and I think that level 2 can be very deceiving. Some people only use level 2. They love level 2, and that's working for them. But personally, over the last 3 years, I just have seen myself so many times kind of just either get out of a trade early because I thought there was a big seller on level 2, or maybe
if there's a big seller on level 2, it's going to go higher through the ask. It took me 3 years to learn it. He's been trading for 3 years, so he's actually on the cusp of greatness, and he's going to take a couple of steps back because he doesn't journal enough and take a look at what he's doing and just try the opposite of what's not working. Let me tell you something, guys. The reason why I'm a great trader, and I could show you how to become a great trader, nobody is better at losing than me. Nobody. I am a master of disaster of losing, dude. So I could show you what not to do. I'm 53. I've been day trading for 25 years. I could show you 25 years of things not to do. He could show you 3.
I ended up buying a stock, or maybe holding a stock longer, because I thought that level 2 was going to be support. So level 2, it's questionable. And like I said, over the last 3 years, I've kind of started doing different things. And
there you go. You see what I'm saying? it took me 3 years to realize that that pattern fooled me every time, dude. So I grabbed my kahunas and I said, you know what? I'm going to buy when it's the big ask. You know, I'm just going to do it. And it worked. I'm like, holy shizzle dizzle, baby. I'm going to do it again. And I went against human nature because it's like, you don't want to buy that big ass. You ask 100 traders, they're like, no, 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 no. It's like hitting a draw in golf. Not many people can do that. The average amateur holds it wrong, does all the wrong things, and puts spin to the right and hits a fade or a slice. It's very hard to hit a draw as a righty because you have to hit to the right. I just got filled on UV. Look, I just got filled. 100. I'm up $10. Sell. That was a quick $10. Nice. That was a quick $10. Quick $10, guys. Beauty. Could have gotten lower. Could have got 70 and change. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go 74, 200. I'll go 100 and buy. Another 100 at 74. 92 now. Sell it, slab. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much, man. Again, I just went from 710 to 717. They all add up, bro. Thank you so much, man. So as I was saying, it's against human nature, man. So you don't do that. You got to hit it to the right to make it go left. People don't do. For bowling, to get a strike as a pro, you got to throw it in the right gutter and make it come back to the left. People don't do that. So it's against human nature of what I'm doing to trade with the level 2. But once you get it, you get up to that echelon. It's like, wow, this is butter, man. It's like a layup. It's easy. It's easy. Easy. Hey, Mike. No, the screen share is not on right now. I'm on YouTube, bro. Come join me. Come join me and subscribe to my channel, bro. So when I go live, there's a little bell. You get notified. You know what I'm saying, kid? That's what you got to do. That's what you got to do is subscribe and get notified when the Mojo goes live. $50 at Heinz, guys. Look at that. Great trade. Thanks for letting me know, dudes. If I wasn't doing the show, I'd still be in some. Beautiful spike, dudes, right there. We bought right there. I should have held some, but I'm doing the show with lack of concentration, so I just take what I get when I'm doing the show ski-moski. Yo, check this out, boys. Hey, Matt, what's going on? Have a good weekend, kid. It's Friday. You know that. What else we got going on? Oh, yeah. So I'm telling you about the human nature where it's just against human nature to do that with the level 2. So, you know what I'm saying? Let me introduce you to Pro Trader Joe in the room. Pro Trader Joe's been with me for 5 years, guys. He travels the world. He's a younger guy. He may not be like some of the older gents or hedge fund managers that I got in the room. But check him out. He just wrote a nice blog article. Let me highlight JoJo. JoJo right here. How to make money while traveling in 2020. Let's read, shall we? Just for a little bit, if you don't mind. Let me show you what Joe's got to say. All right, Joe. It's almost everybody's dream traveling the world while making money, so why doesn't everybody do it? The main reason I hear is simple. They would if they could find a way of making money while doing it. Luckily for you, I have the perfect way to travel the world and make money in 2020. Money 2020. Yo, 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 making that money 2020. Kid don't even know he's making them lyrical rhymes, rapping, chapping. How I know it works is this, because I've been traveling the world for years while doing it. There he is, baby. How simple it is. The Mojo Combo Pack. Over the last 5 years, I've been traveling to different countries on and off all making money trading on the MOJO Day Trading team. Thank you, Joe. The combo pack has allowed me to see the world while getting modestly wealthy, but it combines the most important parts of trading into one. Education, the combo pack, you get access to MOJO University for free, the most important key to a successful trader in MOJO University. Pro Trader Mike teaches his entire trading system, trade plays, the mindset of the trader, and much more. It's the foundation for any successful trader, and you get it for $1,497 value for free for a limited time only, which is ending in the first of the year. I'm teaching a new live class, guys, so the old ones are coming down. No more limited time access for free. Access to the day trading room. While traveling, I get to come to the room every day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time and trade the open with Pro Trader Mike. It seems like every day he hits a big winner. That allows me to make profits, reach my goal, and call it a day so I can sightsee, go eat the local cuisine, check out the local sporting event, etc. With the MOJO Day Trading Room, you have the spot to hang out, chat, and trade under the direction and experience of the market veteran with your best interest at heart. It's invaluable. The Swing Trade newsletter, on days you're catching a flight, boat, or etc., you may not be able to trade, but you still need to make money, right? Of course. Well, don't worry. You can make money while flying to your next destination, as the combo pack includes access to the Swing Trade newsletter. Every Sunday, you get 3 to 5 well-researched swing trades. Mike tells you when to buy and when to sell. All you have to do is watch the stock, read the emails, and profit. There's the picks for December and the results. This year alone, I visited Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Morocco, Spain, Puerto Rico, and a few others. These are the towers right here, I believe, in somewhere. Out there living my dream, Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trading team. There he is on the beaches. Beautiful. If you're looking to travel the world and live the life of freedom and adventure, I cannot suggest the MOJO Combo Pack enough. Now it's time to sign up. There's a 33% off, like I said. Mike's including MOJO University for free. Click here and sign up. Thank you for writing the blog and trying to direct people to do what you've done. Beautiful job. Heinz, the TVIX at 50.05. Great job, guys. Slab, what's your highest sell on that? Are you still in some? What's your highest sale on that, man? Great job, dude. Got an 83 buy. It's 510. What was your highest sale? It's 515. I'd totally still be in some, man, if I wasn't doing the show, but it's okay. At least I made some kashish. Comes down, we'll do it again. Let's see what else we got, guys. So, got some great things happening with the swing trade this month. Here's the results right here. You get access to this portal. Got a lot of people up here that are connected. Every time I make something to the portfolio, it updates. You get notified. You can see right here. You guys, 825, sold 885, 7.2%. Archon, 73 cents, lost. In it for 5, not taking no writing downs. No writing downs. Digirad, took it, 5.77% profit on the 19th yesterday. These two were today on the 20th. Yesterday, LiveX Media, cut it. Not letting it go down lower. It is 201. Glad I did. 275, 267 lower. Same price. Pretty much the same price. Then I got Eastman Kodak. Picked at 3, sold 360. It's lower. Made 20%. Great job. This one's a lot higher. ACST at 2, sold at 225, is 290. 290. Veru at 250, sold at 3, is 282. ISSC at 575, sold at 650, is 613. ACHV, we did good on that at 88 cents. Sold at $1.05, is 48. So that one's a half lower, the other one's a half higher. So you only remember the ones that go lower. You never remember the ones that go higher. 8 out of 10 go lower. Oh, look at that one go higher. God damn it, I missed it. Well, 8 went lower, dude. Okay? ACTM, 25 cents lost at 21. It's at 20. CLIR lost at $1.08 from 86 is 77. These held for 50 days. So out of them, man. Made 45%, made 7, 10, 11, 15, and 34. Lost a 20 on that one right there. That's all this month. Then we got from the top, break even, a loss of 19 on Rumble, a break even, a 12, a 15, a 10, an 8, a 1, a 3, a 50. The 50 was on cassava from $1.60 to $2.40. So those are the swings this month, guys. Some fabulous picks. Looking forward to the new year and what the market brings. The market's been up 8 days in a row. SPY went from 300 to 310, touched 11, now is 321.33. Excuse me. Just made a huge spike from 321 to 321.50. So TVIX came down again. I'm going to put a bid in for 100 at 83. Buy. So hopefully I'll get filled again. You sold at 15? Nice. I'm putting another buy in at 83. Again, let me know if I get hit, please. We want guys like you, man. Press the button, bam, market crush. Guys, it's a ho, ho, ho holiday, man. See what JB's got going on. We got 50.05. We got 50.05. First ride back home. Now let's see an older one, bro. X Games Air Tricks? No. Rocco Burbage Raw? He looks pretty good. Taylor McCullough Raw. We just want to see JB. Brady's Party. 50-15, guys. I don't think we're going to get it again. I don't think we're going to get it again. BSR.
What's up, guys? We are out here at BSR Cable Park. It's a wonderful day. And yeah, I'm just going to take the new GoPro out there on the water and do a bunch of ultra slow motion point of view shots. And yeah, we're going to see how they turn out.
Nice wheelie, baby. 270 off? Nope. There it is. Oh, that's a sick trick right there, guys. He's riding on the fin. I want to give him a high five when he goes by. There's a flip. Oh, holy shit, back onto the thing. Dude, this is a badass trick. Does a flip, lands right back on the middle of it. Look at that. Bam, bam. Badass. He's done. Great trick in JB.
All right, so yeah.
That was nice, kid. That was nice. What's going on with the news, man? Anything happening with stocks today? Time for what's hot and what's not. what's not. Time for what's hot and what's not. Oh yeah, let's see down the list. Dude, can you believe Naked Brands #1 on the list today? NAKD, naked. Let's get naked, baby. Let's get naked. Can you believe Naked's #1? Can you believe Naked is #1? Naked, baby. Can you believe Naked is #1, dude? 50-20 on that son of a bitch, man. Look at that pop on UV right there from 49.70 to 50.22. I guess I better cancel those orders because, leave them in. If I get filled, I get filled, right? Damn. That would have been nice to hold 49.77. It's 50-20. Damn, doing the show always takes money out of my pocket, man. Yeah, because it's taking money out of my pocket. You know I'm making those coins. All you got to do is join, man. I got that holiday promo to become a member. So Naked's #1. Naked Brands, man. NAKD. Naked on the Baked. We've had that as a swing pick before. Absolutely. Drop car. Dropping like a car off the roof from $1.75 high. Woo! That thing got burned from this morning. Look at that bar. Look, you bought right here. You're sold right there. End of the day sellout. Oh my gosh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. In the bouch, bouch, bouch. MRNS. Spike back up. See the spike back up? This is what that one's going to do. Drop car. Sucks you right out from buying right here. Comes down. You're like, buy right here. Damn, you suck. Oh my God, I sold for a loss. Oh my God, it's going back up. I'm going to buy right here. Buy right here. Oh my God, I'm going to sell right here. And then it goes bam, 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 bam. Why? Because you had a bad print. Instead of this pattern, you should have done this. Watch. 1, 2, sold right there. Then again, 1, 2, 3, sold, 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 sold. That's the difference. The most. Sheesh. Hudson Technologies, HDSN at 80 cents. Hate it. Rune Holdings right here at 641 by 52. Never, don't like it. AGT didn't trade it. PRTA didn't trade it. ABUS Airbus moving in the last 5 minutes, just spiked from 270 to 82 with a high of 85. This one's going to $3. End of the day mover. ABUS, guys. End of the day mover. 280, 282. EOD mover, which is ABUS. Duh. C2, ABUS. ABUS. See? Look. Renteria loves this pattern. If he wasn't on the golf course or he wasn't chillabilling around, he'd be like, dude, that stock's going to 3. It's my pattern. So when he watches this later, he's going to be like, dude, that was my pattern. Is that the pattern, dudes? Rent those pattern or what? That's his pattern, dudes. You know who's in the room listening to me? Nobody. You know who's on YouTube listening to me? Nobody. At least I have my best friend, dude. Right there. My boy. Howie. You love paying attention, right? See, he's paying attention to me, right? I love him. Oh, he's so good. Oh, he's so good. So yeah, 282 by 284 now on that sucker is going to go 285 high, guy, on ABUS. Then go 290. Then it's going to go $3, and you're going to be like, Damn. He picked it. He picked it. I'm thinking this. This is what I'm thinking. What I'm thinking right here, babes. What I'm thinking here is this, folks. More stability. A little bit on the floor right there for you. Look at that. How's that, folks? Oh, yeah, dudes. You get a little uprise on the bulbs. Oh. Oh, so beautiful. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Where does this thing go around to, maybe? I could put it. Let's see. How about on the other side? Would it fit there? No, this is good enough, though, right here, folks. That's good enough. Dude, that's the bulbs. That's the bubble snare. The bubble snare. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. PRTA. Where you going, buddy? Hates me. You know, my friends. Boo. Well, that's it, guys, you know? I got 25 years of things not to do trading in the market. Let me show you how good my new sheets are. So my new sheets, oh, so wonderful. See, if you have one of these sheets, I'm like a doctor. Well, let me imperate on the market right here. Well, the pulse on the SPY, the heartbeat is up today. Got to take it easy on the TV. So my notes are really nice today, guys. Had the nice gold today. Look, TV, made all my notes. See all my notes. If you have one of these, you're like a doctor. Your trading goes to the next level, baby. Better ask somebody. You guys, 882, kicking up some high steam at the end of the day, farting some gas at the end of the day on that sucker. What's that TV at? 50-30? No way! You guys costed me, at least give me a like, man. Come on now. Dudes, I hooked you up with the TV, man. Hook me up with the like, the thumbs up. I'm like, yo, Mike picks him like nobody else, dude. How does he do that? How does he do that? Damn, dude. God damn, dude. Rocking and rolling, kicking butt. Dude, like a gorilla. Just gotta believe in yourself, dude. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Tell you. Telling you guys, time for it. Time for the weekend. Believe in yourself, guys. Belief. I hear you. Let's weekend. You know what I'm saying? You want to learn trading. Step number 1. Join my holiday special above and get the combo pack for $149 a month. That's it. Listen, there's no commissions in the markets anymore. The money you would spend hundreds of dollars a month that would just go to the firm for commissions now covers your chat room and swing trade newsletter membership. I'll do all the work for you. It's a results-oriented business. You'll be with me for a long time because the results of that $149 a month will be stellar, spectacular to the results and profits that you're getting off stocks like Rite Aid, RAD, that you got this morning. Stocks like JDST and TVIX ETFs, which you got this morning. And you made $717 for the day. Let's do some math. $700 for the day times 20 days is $14,000 income a month. Times that by 12 months is $168,000 a year. And I did this off a small amount of capital. This is the TFS trading account. So I only put up, the special now is $2,500 to get $80,000 of capital that you could have made that $700 with me today. No problem at all. Just following along with the picks and the trades with me and the other guys in the room. You could see right here this morning, if I scroll up, the profits that were made early, everybody left. I don't have to scroll. We only did like 13 trades today, 13 out of 13. Right here. So if you come up to trading firms on the website, guys, you have right here a $14,000 starter account. This is great for a beginner that's never traded before, or guys that just keep on blowing up after blowing up. Prove yourself on this account first, and then upgrade yourself after you make $2,000. I made 700 today. So after a month, prove yourself, then get upgraded to this $2,500 account, which used to be $3,000. And you click right here, buy now. And there it is. There's the $375 if you want. And what it includes, $14,000 account. You keep 70% of the profits, and you can lose as much as $700 before they stop you. You take my course, MOJO Day Trading. You just got to become a member of the chat room so we could trade along together each day. And you click buy now right here. You'll be taken to the page right here where you go to this page and you click buy. And you'll be set up right there for the student program for $2,500. And you go through the checkout. As soon as you go through the checkout, they'll send you an email welcoming you to the firm with credentials and what you need. And then your representative at the firm, which we have here in the room, his name is Corey Keller, Trader Corey right here in the MOJO Day Trade room. Where is he? He's, of course, the first day he's not here in the room. He pops off. Corey, you need to always be in the room. He's not in there right now, but I guess it's Friday. It's the end of the day, so he's already off for the weekend, but usually he's in here every single day. That's what we do. So today at 9:43, Pro Trader Mar made $600 in 15 minutes. Alan made $739 so far. Pro Trader Boyd made a bunch of profits following me with the same program. He has a $14,000 account, so he made $50 on the day. $50 is $1,000 profit for the month. At 70% is $700 profit, and he only put in $335 to start the account. It's an amazing opportunity for a smaller trader. No PDT rule, and you can trade back and forth with the MOJO team. Bloom made $850 today. Great job. Pro Trader BB, small. P&L $8, but it's proven ground. He's trading a tenth of his size, so that would normally be $70, and then $700 on the level above that. Great job. And that's how we do things and how we trade it in the MOJO room, guys. What platform am I using to execute the trades? I just showed you the TFS platform right here that I'm using to execute direct access to the market. On my website, mojodaytrading.com, exactly like I showed you, Pete. So right here was the pick on you guys. Right here on Friday, November 15th. It was a month ago, but I really liked it at the 850 range, and I added it 8 for an average of 825 because Batman did and I did. Whatever Batman does, MOJO likes to do. Collaboration between smart minds makes two smart minds more powerful. I love calling the bottoms, and it used to be right here, $125 a share. It bounced from 25 to 50, 100% gain last year in the same scenario because no one thought it would ever get cold, but eventually it did, and it made a huge run of 100% from 25 to 125. I think the same thing is going to happen now. It's splitting 10 for 1. So whatever price it's at will be $80, $90, and then it'll go right through 100, which is $10 per share. And right now it's $8.84, which is equivalent of $88 per share. And that's that, you guys. What else? Tiger Woods. I have this game that I play called Golf Clash. And I have it right here. And I play. It's got 1 million guys on it. And you can't, the usernames are tough to come by. So I'm like, I have a match against this guy right here. And I'm like, no way. It's Tiger Woods, dude. You can't get his name. You can't get his name. So right here, I'm playing against him, and it doesn't even have a picture. He's in this group called In the Light. And the guys in the group have some similar names to like Justin Thomas. Not Rory, but the other big guy that wins all the time down here. Brain fart on his name. But anyway, there's his name, and here's his stats. He doesn't play a lot, and he doesn't play for the big money. He doesn't put money into the game. That's why he has 64 million in coins, but he's played a lot of games, 2,809, but he's had none this season. So he's an older player in it. He's had 14 holes. I think it's Tiger Woods. You can't get this name. And they would probably, when they started, contacted him and said, dude, can you register? I'll give you the Tiger Woods name. Because it was probably one of the first guys ever on the whole entire thing. These are all his accolades. He plays in tournaments. He's a tournament player. So all the guys together must play in the tournaments. Justin, all the dudes. Dustin Johnson. And they play together. You think that's him? You think that could be him? It could be, right? Could be. It could be him. I got a message from Challenger. I was reading about the trade net. The trade costs us a lot. You better believe it, dude. Better believe it. You lose, it costs you. Got to tip the dealer when you lose. Times only, and you make $717.40 like I just did today. The tickets are 19,316 shares. Traded 19,316 shares at 0.006. Is 19,316 times 0.006 is 115.89 in commissions minus 717.40. I just made 717 minus 116. I just made $601 net. What's the problem? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Only losers worry about, dude, I got to go to the casino. But, dude, I was reading at the casino where they give you all these. You go to the casino with $500. They give you $10,000 of chips to go in. But I heard you got to tip the dealer no matter what. Every hand. Really? What's the problem with that? I did $717 taking money from guys like Patrick and all the fish out there. Did 19,000 shares, costed me $115. I made $601 times 20 days is $12,000 a month. I get 75% of that is $9,000 a month times 12 months is an extra $108,000 a year. What's going on? And they charge you? Dude, and they don't take more than that? Thank goodness. Thank goodness. There you go. What do you think about that, guys? How you looking at things, right? Yeah, he's got to pass the time like the rest of us. I would play that game, Ed, if I was him, right? It's the greatest game. I'm sure he plays. Absolutely, guys. Thank you so much for watching the Mojo Show. I really hope everybody signs up for the programs and trading with me for the new year. Could really be your thing. The stocks you want to keep an eye on are TVIX down here at 50.30. I owned it at 50.66 yesterday. Market's going to correct a bit. SPY's still up at the 321.17, which is huge, breakout record highs again. So listen, next week's a whole new week and a whole exciting thing. Hope you can come join in with me. Until then, peace. Keep it profitable. Later, guys.